Hey guys, today's featured chord is something that is so lovely to start off your day with. It is the major ninth chord. So I'm playing it in the key of C, and it consists of the notes C, E, G, and then a high D. And the reason why it's called a ninth is because if we start from C and count up 9 notes in the C major scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the ninth is that high note that makes you think of birds singing in the morning. So it's a lovely chord when you want to play something that sounds nice and ballady. You can even mesh it with your major sevenths. All right, so that's the major ninth chord. Now, if you want to start your day with a nice cup of coffee and a Disney princess dress, that's totally fine. Just be sure you also start it with the major ninth chord.